Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in today. It's your girl Tiffany of Tiffany Baby TV. Thanks for joining us today. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button right before we get started, you guys. I've got another Amazon joint to bring you. It's another blonde little banger. You guys aren't going to want to miss this sleigh. Make sure that you hit that button so that you can watch me work. This unit is from Melodysusie. It is their 27-inch light blonde lace front unit, and this is what it looks like. Alright, you guys, so this is classified as a cosplay wig. However, when they said that it had ear-to-ear lace, as well as free parting space for about 2.5 inches in the middle, I decided that I would review this for you guys and give you the tea, because we're always looking for some different unique units that for a good price, and Amazon shipping for 2 days, you can't beat that. You might need a wig in a hurry, so here I am coming with the real for you. You guys can see from start to finish any alterations that need to be done to this unit to make it look slayed. Alright ladies, so in combing this through, I am getting some tangling. I am getting quite a bit of shedding. This is heat safe according to the website up to about 320 degrees. However, the texture of this unit, I would not feel comfortable putting heat on this. This is very much the texture of doll hair. It is a step up from the Party City wigs. And I do think that you can work with this wig, but it's going to take a little bit of finessing. And I'm dealing with a lot of flyaways. They're all in my face. Let's see if I put just a small amount of edge control just on those front pieces, if that'll help to keep those back and out of the way. Yeah, it's tangling. The density is really good. It's not thin at all, but it is shedding pretty good here. I'm going to take out my tweezers, pluck this part a little bit. I'll show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing, but if you want the full tutorial, I will leave a link up above for my plucking tutorial. That'll give you much better information and much more detailed steps on how to properly pluck your unit. I'm also going to run a Sharpie just over that first initial maybe 1/2 inch just to give this some dark rooting, just to see how that looks. I also have a full tutorial on how to root your unit, so if you're interested in more information on this process, make sure that you refer back to that video as well. Alright, so here's my final thoughts. If you are looking for a cute blonde wig to wear to a party, this is approved. If you're looking for something for a Halloween costume, definitely approved. If you are a regular everyday wig wearer and you are looking for your next bomb lace front blonde unit, this is probably not the one that you want, you guys. I'm just going to be honest with you. The texture is not what you're going to want for an everyday wear wig. This is going to tangle really, really badly. It's already starting to tangle on me, and I haven't worn it anywhere yet. It's very beginner friendly. It really didn't take a lot to get it together, and I think that with the dark rooting it looks a lot more natural. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you guys liked this one, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, don't give it a thumbs down, because I tried to bring you something different and make sure that I'm giving you a full spectrum of wigs. Many people shop in many different places, and I wanted to make sure that I was representing Amazon as well. I know that that's a very popular place to shop nowadays. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I will leave purchase information for this wig. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for spending some time with me, you guys. I love you as always. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves.